It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey, good people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha Method of Joyful Design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. I'm thrilled that you're joining me today. When you get a chance, please hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithms, and it helps me to reach women all over the globe. The home office is a hot design room right now. Folks are flipping the script and turning a room in their home into the shortest commute ever. This homeowner is a busy professional who has just started working from home. So he hired me to turn this multi-use storage room into a dope mid-century modern home office. He had never worked with a designer before and was just a little bit nervous. To start things off, we had a conversation and I sent him several different looks to get his insights on what would be the best fit for his home office. The room was fairly good sized and he started out with pieces that we could already repurpose, like club chairs and an extensive art collection. After he gave me feedback on the inspiration looks I'd sent him, I created a mood board and got to work. I also created a ground plan to show the homeowner where all of the pieces would go in the room. This homeowner wanted a really unique desk called a partner's desk. Sourcing a desk like this brand new would cost thousands of dollars. Keeping in mind my custom on a budget philosophy, I headed straight to Facebook Marketplace and found the perfect mid-century modern leather top partner's desk. Please, somebody say score! This homeowner had quite a bit of furnishings down in his basement, and man, we got lucky with these leather club chairs. They were perfect for this particular design. Sourcing these chairs purchased new would have been thousands of dollars again. I always encourage my clients to shop their home because 9 times out of 10, there's something we can repurpose. As the pieces that I selected began to arrive, the homeowner cleared out the room and started to store all of the design items in that room. I selected a gorgeous wall color, Urbane Bronze by Sherwin-Williams. Because the homeowner didn't want to paint the entire room, I chose a color band effect to wrap the room and give it a cozy feel. And to keep costs down, the homeowner did the wall painting himself. He was also a little nervous about this color band idea, but watch till the end and you'll see what happens. This room had several challenges and needed pretty much everything. Window treatments, floor covering, and a completely new layout. In addition to sourcing a new office desk, I also sourced storage units, the window treatments, lighting, and the area rug. Once the walls were done, it was time for my most favorite day, styling and staging day. Let's go! The first thing I took care of was placing the artwork around the room. Some of these pieces, the homeowner told me he'd never had them even hanging on the walls, so this was going to be quite a change. My next task was to style the bookcase storage unit. Once again, I had a ball shopping the home and selecting decor items that would be the best fit in this mid-century modern home office. This room was large enough to set up a double seating area that would be a welcoming place to grab a book at the end of a long day. And in the corner on the wall, in a place of honor, I was able to hang a piece that the homeowner had already had framed but never had it hung. What a conversation piece. When styling a bookcase, try different pieces on different shelves, step back, give it a look, and if it doesn't quite work, don't be afraid to move things around. The room was anchored by this 8x10 wool rug. You can see the color scheme in the rug has the accent of all of the colors that I'm placing in the room, including that Urbane Bronze wall paint. Just a few more finishing touches and it's time for the reveal. In just 2 weeks, With my dope design and a little sweat equity from the homeowner, I turned this into this.
This is really nice. It's so full of everything.
I think he loves it. What do you think?
Sound right, boy.
There's so much in here. To visually catch your eyes, like everything. An educational journey.
I gave this homeowner everything he wanted and a vibe he didn't even know he needed. A cozy kickback seating area to wind down at the end of the day. A bookcase storage section to show off his book collection and items he's collected during his travels. And then showcasing his stunning art collection. When a client smiles like this, you know you've nailed it.
It sound right, boy.
This showstopper legacy wall art looks amazing on the backdrop of the Urbane Bronze paint. This framed newspaper article and tickets are a great conversation starter. I'm sure this homeowner is feeling pretty good about now having the shortest commute ever, working from home. If you enjoy HGTV style shows, be sure to check out my show, DIY DUO Redesign, here on my channel. It's full of custom on a budget wow factor. The link to the show is in the description box below. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget, hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps me reach women all over the globe. I'll see you in the next video.